Okay, just to make sure our replacements are bred, we put in a new ram, Casper. The girls are a bit, oh, ooh, ooh. Just a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Very little wind, if any, which is fabulous. About minus 10, minus 8, something like that. I heard there's a polar vortex over Siberia that may be heading our way. Okay, being that it's so nice, the girls are getting out to the field bales. Yes, ladies. So, trying to make them clean up. Hey, Henry. Hello, sweetheart. Yes. Hello. Hello. Hi. Yes. So, this bale, we've done a pretty good job. You don't put too many out at a time, being that it's not that cold. So I make them clean it up. Like -4. It's supposed to be in the +1 range later. It's weird weather. This is the last of the warmth though. It's supposed to drop to -22 Saturday morning. Yeah, just like that. Stopped snowing, thank goodness, for now anyway. We're just clearing a path. It was supposed to be a warm day today and start snowing this afternoon, so I thought we'd get bales in for the cold weather coming this morning. So we're kind of caught out here, of course. So I got the bales from there to way in here to up there by the barn. Saturday, it's going to be -22. It's going to be +2 today, apparently. That's the weather here. It's amazing. Wind. Oh God. Spinny, spinny. Not good. is bale number 2. Better get out of the way. It was raining about 20 minutes ago. Today, being that it is warm, it is still about +2, -2, raining earlier. That approximately 1,200 gallon cistern. This allows us to water our sheep all through the winter, -30, -40 to +2. And it saves our hydrant from freezing up. And that pipe right there, that hose, believe it or not, stays clear of ice through all those temperatures. So just by proper practice of not letting water sit in any parts of the hoses and using very wide eaves troughs to deliver the water, we are able to provide our sheep fresh water throughout the winter. So as it's warm today, it's fill up day, and it's going to drop 20 degrees apparently in 2 days. So we get it done now. Just keep that picture in mind, is that side. In a couple of days it should be down to about there. January 28th, and it's, I think, -28. Remember? Only what, 3 days ago? I don't know. It was like up here. Yeah. That's quite a shift. But the sun's going to be out today. That's a bonus. As I said, the sun is going to be shining today. Woke up -28. The truck now says -24. So let's try just doing basic chores this morning. Everybody's still in the barn. I think I may have to feed a bit of barley because it's so cold to the ewes. It's not going to be this cold for long. Yeah, the mask, as good as a scarf. I can't wear my glasses though. Anyway, let's go out and about. Okay, here we go. Let's go check everybody. It's a slight breeze. Hey, Henry. Rufus. What are you doing there, mister? Okay, I'm gonna have to do water. Hello, girl. Let's do some water. I'm thirsty. I get it. The benefits of rubber tubs as opposed to plastic. It's easy to clear. Okay, girl. Going, huh? Did you hear that? Gee. Okay. Yeah, we re-strawed before all this because we knew they'd be in here for a bit. So, I'm inside. It's too cold. I gotta take my gloves right off in order to turn the camera on, turn the video on and all that. And the battery just goes, it's cold out. It's sunny though. So the rest of the day, our truck died yesterday, so we gotta figure that out. Maybe be in here and just get things done because it's too cold to do anything outside. We got all the hay put in places before the cold snap because it's way too cold to run the tractor right now. And that's about it for now. It's not even lunch, so I'm in here just warming up my toes. January 29th. Rain and sunshine, slight breeze, minus 25. Just fed the ewes their barley, cold weather barley, as they really shouldn't be getting any barley till kind of 5 weeks before lambing. These are the bales we put out before the cold snap. I've loosened the twine so you can get to it easier, but I haven't rolled it out because, as you can see, there's hardly anything on the ground right now. So I try and do this for as long as possible into the bale. We just put more bales out than normal so that everybody kind of gets a bale access to feed at the same time.